rolls, curry chicken.
I like that. Ooh. Nice.
Looks good, huh? See yours. Nice. Looks good.
I use some chopsticks.
That's mine.
I'm ready to eat.
Stir it up.
This is how we do
We are here at SNR. Right here. Oh, look at that. And this is paid for by Ate here. Thank you very much, Ate. Alright. But we got, this is shrimp pizza,
I like this one.
French fries, and I ate a quarter pounder already. So, let's dig in, guys.
It's awesome.
It's awesome, right? Okay.
Awesome.
There you go. Coming from Ate. There you go. Alright. Let's eat. Hi, Vivi. Whoa. There you go. I'm just trying Jigachino for the first time.
What's your regular?
Yeah, iced Jigachino. Cool.
And brown, we have 0 calorie.
Got her donut.
We have 3 grains of sugar.
Right.
We have white sugar.
Enjoy. All right. Happy anniversary to my queen right here. I went to, you see, I went to Tom's there. I got her some Toms. You like it, baby? Looks good. Guys, Fifi is letting Mateo hold her. Cool. She warmed up to you. She's all warmed up now. There's Fifi. We're here at the Banh Mi kitchen. It's a small phone. And then the classic chicken.
That was this, Daddy.
Alright guys, we're at Twin Lakes here in Laurel, Batangas. Where we're gonna eat dinner. There's Fifa. Alright guys. Oh. So we're over here at Mary Grace. Got a nice table here, guys. salmon and cream. That's Auntie's seafood chowder. Cheese rolls. Oh man, that's Arlene's food. She has a dory. Dinner with a view, guys. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. We're gonna get some buko pie. Let's go, guys. Go ahead, try it.
This.
Eat the watermelon. Is it good? Here, try some of the. Try this. Good? Okay. Volcano wrap, and chicken there. Oh, tempura. Oh yeah, you can maybe put the tempura there. Okay. Thank you. Is this one here? Tuna?
I thought you said dory. Did you say dory?
Tuna, volcano, and then we have the shrimp. Crispy fry. Right here, Watami. Watami, really good food, guys. Go there. Go with your sister. Huh?
Or 180 yung bill.
Taking my sister to Tequila Reef. The tape. What is it? Whoa, what is that?
Mini, it's supposed to be mini burrito.
Whoa,
So,
mini burrito.
East LA.
AJ got fried chicken. Alright, big air. What did you get out there?
Mocha cold coffee. That's what he said.
Mocha. We're here at the coffee shop restaurant here in Olongapo. Are you having fun out there?
Yes, I am so much.
Try out there. Two, huh? 2.5. Okay, we're gonna sing Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mateo. Happy birthday.
Birthday is not complete without cake, Daddy. Right?
Let's eat. Ha ha.
And number 7.
All right, make a wish out there.
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay, make the wish.
Make a wish and then blow it out. Blow out the candles. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mateo.
Make your wish for Taylor.
She did already.